Hey friends, if you wish to fix error code 0xc0000098 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to rebuild BCD manually, and the command is bootrec /rebuild BCD. I'll copy this one, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste it here and then hit enter. The next solution is to perform a checkdisk scan. In the same window, type chkdsk /r/f and hit enter. Press Y and then hit enter once again to initiate the checkdisk scan. The next solution is a system file checker or an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator, and then type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter. The last solution is to uninstall any recently installed updates on your system. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the updates tab, click on update history, select uninstall update, click on uninstall and then click on uninstall once again to uninstall the latest update. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.